Fidget spinner, spinning around. Fidget spinner, please don't slow down. Fidget spinner, my favorite trend. It helps me to forget that I don't have any friends. I like to play with fidget spinners every day. When it twirls in my fingers, everything is okay. As long as it keeps spinning, it will help me deny the inevitable fact that I'll eventually die. Fidget spinner, spinning around. Fidget spinner, please don't slow down. Fidget spinner, making me smile, so I don't have to think about my death for a while. Without my fidget spinner, I feel nothing but strife. My mind begins to doubt that there's an afterlife.